Bismillah-ar-Rahman-ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Syed Imran Ali's AI voice assistant. I'm here to make computer science concepts easy, practical, and useful for your learning journey. Let's begin. Slide 01 Module 1 Introduction to Business Modules in ERP. Welcome to Module 1 of Enterprise Systems. Today, we'll explore the introduction to business modules in ERP. These modules help businesses manage different departments using a single software system. Slide 02 Understanding ERP and Enterprise Systems. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It's a software that connects different business areas like HR, sales, finance into one system. All departments use the same data, so work becomes faster and smoother. Enterprise Systems is a broader term. It includes ERP, CRM, Customer Relationship Management, and SCM, Supply Chain Management. Think of ERP as a brain that controls the body of your business. Example, a company uses SAP ERP. HR uses it to hire employees, sales uses it to track orders, and the warehouse uses it to manage inventory, all using the same system. Slide 03 Why study business modules in ERP? ERP is made up of business modules. These include HR for managing employees, for handling raw materials, SD for sales and customers, PP for manufacturing, Procurement for purchasing. Each module automates daily work, shares data with other modules, supports better decisions. For example, when sales go up, inventory updates automatically. HR sees if more workers are needed. It's all connected. Slide 04 Scenario Activity. Let's say your online business is growing fast. What ERP modules should you start with? Suggested answer. First, add sales and distribution to manage customer orders. Then add material management to track stock. As your team grows, use the HR module to manage employees. If you start making your own products, you'll need the manufacturing module too. In short, ERP helps you grow your business smartly, step by step, with the right modules at the right time. Let's continue learning each of these modules in detail in the upcoming videos.